So the reason I wanted to talk about first fix particularly was that it's the most essential part of the job. If you don't get your first fix right, everything else is going to go wrong. You're going to end up having a nightmare when it comes to connecting accessories, drilling out for downlights, wiring your control devices, such as your distribution board and smart home controls, etc. So we really go to town on first fix. We also want to make the job easier for other trades. So we don't want to rely on other trades to do our job for us. We put stuff in the right place, make sure it's clear, it's properly installed, there's no issues. Obviously we confirm everything with our project manager, with the customer, but just taking the time, being careful, being accurate, doing things correctly so that nothing comes back to bite us on the behind. It's all important stuff. And you get your first fix right, the rest of the job comes easy. And of course this is the bit that customer never sees. So customer comes in, they says, nice couple of lights, nice switch, nice socket. They don't really see the work that is behind it all. But we know it's there, so that's our job to make sure that we get it right, that we don't cut corners, that what do they say, that being conscientious is doing the right thing when nobody is looking. And of course this is our bit, it's the stuff that nobody sees but we know is there. Those metallic supports, the correct clipping distances and supports, we're not taking any shortcuts, all our cables are running vertically to accessories. We try and go vertically as much as possible. Very occasionally we'll do horizontal, but to be honest, vertical is a much safer bet. So there you go. So that's one of the first fixes. One of the first ones I've done for ages actually. Seem to be doing all sorts of call-outs, maintenance, fault finding, inspection and testing. But so it's nice to get the hands dirty and get on with some first fix work. And yeah, I didn't do all of this myself. I had 2 apprentices working, and it was very interesting for them. It was a new sort of side of the job. They've only just started with the firm, and this is the first time they've really seen the whole first fix procedure, see what goes into it. I think it was a bit of an eye-opener for them, to be honest, realising, the effort, the work involved. We were on site for 3.5 days last week. That's me plus these two new apprentices, and then I've just spent the day today, been Monday, finishing off, dotting the I's, crossing the T's, making sure that it's all ready to go.